This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Dana Gustafson. A lovely golf course condo with a great floor plan that boasts of a spacious eat-in kitchen, stainless steel appliances, granite counters, and great counter space. Large family room west/dining area and fireplace. The primary bedroom and bath are located on the first floor. 2 nice bedrooms with large closets, 2 full baths, and a large loft on the second floor. 2-car garage with workbench included. There is closet and storage space galore. Walk-in attic. Central to shopping and interstate. View. The list goes on. Pictures and MLS of the condo were taken before the seller moved. The chandelier was replaced. For more information, review the details below.